He's going to sing us a butterfly song so we can remember it.
On the shores of the mystical island, there lies a cave with a magical door. All are welcome, but those who enter never shall return, not a single day more. Can you feel the rhythm of my heartbeat, beating in time with a drum in my hands? Fly away on the waves of the ocean, seeking and finding the butterfly people. Butterfly people, butterfly people, seeking and finding the butterfly people. Butterfly people, butterfly people, seeking and finding the butterfly people. Butterfly people, butterfly sisters, butterfly brothers, butterfly sisters, seeking and finding the butterfly people. Butterfly people, butterfly people.
Thanks, Peter. Well, I really like that one. You all know about the butterflies, and we'll talk to you all later.